like the track was going now.
That is Ria.
No, don't go there. Leave it that one. The track is coming now.
P or U. Second X may be indicated 0 or 1. 0 means in Omni car also same problem, in Mercedes also same problem. If it is comes with 1 means you need to study the company service manual compulsory. If they mention with 1 here, 0 or 1. 0 means it's a common problem in the normal cars also, in the premium cars also. Same description. Okay, and the third X will be representing which starts from 0 to 9 actually, 0 to 9 actually, 0 to 1 means all related to fuel, 1 to 119 all related to air, 200 to 200 means 0 I am adding 0 here only, 200 to 299 all related to fuel and air meeting, 300 to 399 ignition fire, 400 to 499, 500 to 599, 600 to 690 ECM, dedicated for only ECM problems. Next to 700 to 799, 800 to 819, 900 to 919, up to all our classifications. Shall we see one good example? P0172. P means 0 means generic car, no need to take tension. 1 means related to prolonging air and fuel and injection. 72 particular fault code is what? Bank 1 fuel system to reach.